Hello everyone, welcome back to CARHOW. Today, we're talking about the Suzuki APV 2026, a vehicle that continues to attract attention for families, businesses, and people who want a practical and spacious ride. The Suzuki APV has always been known for its boxy design, reliability, and affordability, and the 2026 model builds on that reputation with some noticeable improvements. The Suzuki APV 2026 keeps its familiar shape, which might look simple, but that design is actually one of its biggest strengths. The tall body and wide cabin make it extremely spacious inside, perfect for large families or commercial use. The front has a refreshed grille and updated headlights that give it a slightly more modern look while still keeping that classic APV identity. From the side, the long wheelbase clearly shows how much interior space this vehicle offers, and at the rear, the design remains clean and functional. Inside the Suzuki APV 2026, the focus is clearly on comfort and practicality. The cabin feels airy because of the tall roof, and there is plenty of headroom and legroom for passengers in all rows. The dashboard has been updated with a more refined layout, better quality materials, and a modern infotainment system depending on the variant. Air conditioning performance is strong, which is very important for hot climates, and the seating position is upright, giving the driver excellent visibility on the road. Under the hood, the Suzuki APV 2026 is expected to come with a reliable petrol engine that focuses more on durability and fuel efficiency rather than high performance. This makes it ideal for daily city driving, long trips with family, or even business use like ride-sharing and cargo transport. The engine is paired with a smooth manual transmission, and in some markets, an automatic option may also be available. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, especially when the vehicle is fully loaded. When it comes to safety, the Suzuki APV 2026 offers essential features such as airbags, ABS, seat belts for all passengers, and improved braking performance. While it may not compete with luxury vans in terms of advanced driver assistance systems, it provides solid safety for its price segment. Now let's talk about the price. The Suzuki APV 2026 is expected to be priced competitively, making it one of the most affordable multi-purpose vans in its class. Depending on the market and variant, the estimated price range could start from around $18,000 to $22,000 US. This pricing makes it a great value option for buyers who want space, reliability, and low maintenance costs without spending too much. Overall, the Suzuki APV 2026 is a practical, no-nonsense vehicle that delivers exactly what it promises. It may not be flashy, but it is dependable, spacious, and budget-friendly, which is why it remains popular year after year. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to CARHOW for more car reviews and latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.